Hello, in this video we are going to learn about what do we mean by the median or the medians of a triangle. Now let us look at one of these three triangles that we have. So we have an acute angled, a right angled and an obtuse angled triangle, and let us take this acute angle triangle and let us say that it has three vertices, that is A, the second vertex is B and C. So essentially we have a triangle ABC. Now what we are doing is we find out the midpoint of B and C. So let us say that if the length of segment BC is 6 centimeter, just taking an example, and we find out a midpoint O such that it divides this line segment BC into two equal parts. So we have BO equals OC equals 3 centimeters. Okay, and in the next step what we do is we connect the opposite side, that is we connect a line from this opposite vertex, that is A over here. So what we do is we drop a straight line from A to O. Then this line that we have drawn over here is known as a median. This is a median of this median for one of the median of the triangle A, B and C. Now what could be the other medians? You can draw it in the same way. So essentially, just to emphasize what a median is, a median joins the vertex, is a line that joins the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? So AO is a line segment, AO is a median, one of the median for the triangle A, B and C. What would be the other medians if we were to look at? So let's say we find out the midpoint for AC. Let's say that this is the midpoint, and what we do is, so what is going to be the opposite vertex for AC? It is B, and similarly the opposite side for this vertex B is AC. So we drop a line from this vertex B to the midpoint of its opposite sides, which is, let us say, we have not given it a name yet. Let us say that we call this P. So in this case, the line segment BP is a median. Similarly, we can draw a third median if we were to take the midpoint of AB. Let's call this SQ, and what we do is, like we did earlier, we would just be dropping a line or a straight line from C to Q, and this is a median. So in this case we are having three medians, and those three medians are, so in this case the medians of triangle ABC are, there are three medians that we have seen. They are the line segment AO, then we have BP and CQ. So there are these three medians of a triangle. Now as an useful exercise, it will be helpful if you can try plotting the medians for a right angled and an obtuse angle triangle, and also try how do the medians for an equilateral, an isosceles and a right and a scalene triangle look like. So that was about medians.